In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a currency converter to your Wix website. This simple tutorial will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring your website is ready to cater to an international audience and enhance user experience with just a few clicks. First, you'll want to open your Wix editor. Once you're in, turn your attention to the left sidebar and focus on the section marked Add. This is where you'll be able to access a range of different elements that you can add to up your website. Among these, we are interested in an element that is particularly useful for online stores, catering to customers from different countries: the currency converter. To find this element, click on the store category underneath the Add Elements section. Here, Wix gives you all sorts of handy widgets and tools tailored for online businesses. Scroll through until you spot the currency converter. Once you've located it, it's time to add it to your site. Select the currency converter and drag it over to the page where you want it to appear. Be thoughtful about its placement. You want it to be easily accessible for your users. A common choice is near the top of a page or within the checkout section, as this ensures visibility and ease of access for your international customers. Now that you have the currency converter on your page, you'll need to set it up by adjusting some necessary settings. Click on the newly added converter, and you'll see an option for settings. Go ahead and click that. This takes you to the control center of the currency converter, where you can really make it your own. One of the most important things you'll do here is go to the Currencies tab. Click on it, and you'll find an option labeled Plus Add Currency. Click this to begin adding the currencies you wish to support on your site. This might include popular options like euros, US dollars, or pounds sterling, depending on where your customers are based. Make sure to carefully select the currencies that make sense for your business. After adding the currencies, don't forget to hit Save. This action ensures that all your changes are recorded and that the currency converter functions as expected. Finally, you can head over to the Design tab. This tab is where you get to customize the appearance of your converter. You can alter the colors, fonts, and overall style to match your site's aesthetic. A cohesive look not only makes your website more visually appealing, but can also make navigation easier for your users. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate a functional and stylish currency converter into your Wix website, enhancing the shopping experience for customers around the globe. Thanks for watching, and happy building!